Hello everyone, welcome to Chadanis Solution. So we are going to adjust the corner of your shape using Illustrator. So to do that, just simply, for example in this one, you need to click this one, this direct selection tool, click it, then hold the shift, then left arrow. So as you can see, you can easily change that one. So sometimes if you hit the left and right arrow or down arrow, you need to change, for example, you need to change how you need to change the distance. For example, you do like that, you need to change the distance. So to do that, just go to object and then edit, then preference. You can go to general. Then in this one, keyboard increment, you can adjust this to 1. So let's try. Shift, then click. As you can see, it changes the distance of each increment that you are going to do. So let's try 5. As you can see, so that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.